the body B moving in an inclined direction as shown in figure. Now see the figure. In that case, the velocity of A, again it is same, 4 meter per second. Its direction and magnitude is given here. Okay, and the velocity of B is given in the inclined direction shown in figure. Now suppose it is given in 10 meter per second. Okay, both the velocity A and B are given in magnitude and direction. Now you have to find out, in this case you have to find out velocity of A with respect to B and draw vector diagram. Okay, now first step is you have to select the scale for the respective velocity. I will consider here 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meter per second. Okay, now both the particles are moved with respect to a fixed point. You have to consider here fixed point is O. Now when you draw the vector diagram, you have to first of all locate the fixed point in the given mechanism. Always there are two or more fixed points. You have to locate on the same location. Suppose I will take here a fixed point O. Okay, now through this O I will draw a first vector OA whose magnitude is known here. I will draw a first vector OA whose magnitude is 4 meter per second, means 2 centimeter. Okay, we know the magnitude of first vector OA 2 centimeter and the direction is horizontal and towards the right in the direction of arrow. I'll draw a first vector OA 2 centimeter. Now this is nothing but your velocity of A. Now next vector I will draw here OB, which is nothing but your velocity B, and whose magnitude is 10 meter per second, means according to scale it is a 5 centimeter. Its direction is given inclined to the previous vector. Okay, and the
एंगल दिया रहेगा इसका.
angle is given. Otherwise you have to use the roller scale and you have to draw a parallel to this vector or the velocity B. You have to directly draw the parallel to this velocity B, the vector OB whose magnitude is 5 centimeter. This is the velocity B. Okay, now you have to join the point A and B in the vector diagram. Now this is nothing but your velocity of A with respect to B. This is nothing but your velocity of A with respect to B, means I will find out the velocity of A with respect to B by using this formula is equal to vector AB into scale. Now vector AB means you have to measure this distance. You have to measure this distance. Suppose if you measure the distance, you will get here the 3.5 centimeter line. 3.5 centimeter distance. I have to put here AB vector is equal to 3.5 centimeter into scale is given here how much, 1:2, means 2 meter per second divided by 1. Okay, means you will get the velocity of A with respect to B is your 7 meter per second. You will get the velocity of A with respect to B is equal to 7 meter per second if both the particles are moving in the inclined path.